Okay, good morning students. Yesterday we have discussed about the continuity of the lecture 2. Today I have discussed some more problems and remaining properties and remaining problems. Okay, now what is the continuity at a particular point? Yesterday I told that one. To check the continuity of the function at a particular point, first we can find the limit value of the function, that is limit x tends to a f of x exists means LHL RHL must be equal. LHL is equal to RHL, then limit exists. After that we can find the functional value. Now the function value is equal to f of a particular value. Though limit LHL, RHL and function value, those three are equal, then the function f of x is continuous at x is equal to a. Otherwise it is discontinuous. Already I explained that one. What is that one? Discontinuity points. Find the discontinuity of the function. Okay. Whenever the function is not defined, not in the domain must should be continuous. Other than the domain place, those are the discontinuity points. First of f of x is equal to 1 by x. X equal to 0, it is not defined. That is why discontinuity at x is equal to 0. 1 by x minus 1. X value 1 means 1 by 0 is not defined. Therefore, discontinuity at x is equal to 1. That is why we will find out. Denominator part equal to 0, it is not defined. Now, today I have discussed about some more problems. If the function is continuous, then find the value of k. Continuous means LHL is equal to RHL is equal to function value. Okay, understood. Now, today I have discussed about some more problems. If f of x is equal to 3ax plus b, if x greater than 1, 11, if x is equal to 1, 5ax minus 2b, if x less than 1, is continuous at x is equal to 1. Is continuous if f of x is equal to is continuous at x is equal to 1, then find a comma b. Okay, my dear students, already it is continuous given. Okay, now more than one function, this is x greater than 1, x less than 1, must and should we will find the LHL and RHL at x is equal to 1, those are equal, LHL, RHL and function value. Why? Because it is continuous, already clearly given. But listen carefully, solution. Given, what is given? F of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. That is LHL is equal to RHL is equal to function value. Functional value, that is equal to f of a. You know very well, I think. Okay, LHL at x is equal to 1 clearly is given. Limit x tends to 1 minus x tends to a minus f of x. 1 minus means less than 1. Say yes or no? 5ax minus 2. Limit x tends to 1 plus means more than 1, we know very well. That equal 3ax plus b is equal to function value exactly at 1. How much? That equal to f of 1. Now substitute. Already given, those are equal. X value is 1. 5a minus 2b is equal to 3a plus b is equal to how much? X value is 1, substitute 5a into 1, 5a minus 2b, 3a into 1, 3a plus b is equal to f of 1. F of 1 value how much is equal to 11. Each and every one must be equal. Okay, this value is equal to 11, this value is equal to 11, these two are equal. Okay, my dear boys, first of all these two are equal, what happened? These two continuous means these two are equal means what happened? One relation between a and b we can find. First of all these two equal, 5a minus 2b is equal to 3a plus b. What happened in this side? That equal to 3a means this is 2, 5a minus 3a means 2a is equal to minus 2b that side plus 2b means 3b Now here A is equal to, or B is equal to, whatever may be, A is equal to 3B by 2. Now this is substituting, we will take another relation, we can take these two equal, 3A plus B is equal to 11, 3A plus B is equal to 11, but here A is equal to how much is there, 3B by 2 is there, 3 into A value is 3B by 2 plus B is equal to 11. Now take LCM, 3 3s are 9 plus 2B, 11B by 2, 11B by 2 is equal to 11, 11 cancel, B is equal to how much, 2. Okay, B value 2 you substitute, B value 2 substitute, what happened, therefore B value 2 substitute in this one, A is equal to 3 into B value is 2 by 2, this cancel, that equal to A value 3, B value 2. Those values are right or wrong? Substitute here, A value 3, 5 3s are 15, B value 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 minus 4, that is equal to 11. Next, A value 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus B value 2, 9 plus 2, that equal to 11. Yes, this one is equal, this one equal, this one, when A is equal to 3, B equal to 2. Therefore, what are the values of A equal to and B equal to, means A equal to 3 and B equal to when f is continuous function is given. Continuous function at x is equal to 1. Understood, my dear students? Okay, very nice. Now, we will go to the another problem. Simply, you remember that one, just continuous. Continuous means only those two formulas you remember. Okay, don't means tension, don't afraid of these problems. Just you remember the only two formulas. Remember only two formulas. One is the limit value equal to function value. Third, next one is LHL is equal to RHL is equal to function value. That's all. Okay, now we will go to function continuous at x is equal to 0. Find, determine the value of A. Now f of x is equal to 1 minus cos 4x by x square. If x less than 0, A, if x is equal to 0, root x by under root of 16 plus root x minus 4. If x greater than 0, find the value of A. Find the value of A is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then find A. Okay, my dear students. Now here clearly given 1, 2, more than one function is given, exactly 0, the function value is clearly given A. But continuous means limit value LHL is equal, RHL is equal function value. No problem, no doubt at all. Okay, given f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, my dear students. That is LHL is equal to RHL is equal to function value means the formula f of A. A value is 0, okay. LHL formula limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means less than 0. What is that one? 1 minus cos 4x by x square. That is equal to RHL. RHL means limit x tends to 0 plus means more than 0. Root x by root of 16 plus root x minus 4 is equal to function value at exactly 0 f of 0. Okay, my dear students. Actually, this is totally is equal actual. Continuous means already continuous means our goal is find the value of A only. Already given continuous means LHL is equal to 100% function value or this one equal to this one. You can find LHL or anyone. Why? Because our goal is A value. Okay, you know this formula 1 minus cos AX by x square. Actually 100% you substitute 0, cos 0 means 100% 1, 1 minus 1 0 by 0, 0 by 0 100% indeterminate form. 100%, what is the meaning of 1? We get the indeterminate form. What is the meaning of that one? Okay, we will do the problem in another way. That is not the answer of that question. Okay, now you know the formula for limit x tends to 0 or Ax tends to 0, whatever may be, 1 minus cos Ax by x square. What is the formula? A square by 2. Simply A square by 2. Here A value is 100%, 4. That is 4 square by 2. is equal to f of 0. F of 0 nothing but how much? A. Directly we get the answer. That equal to f of 0 or not? You leave this one, no problem. Next we will do, no problem at all, this one also. We get the same answer. But this one equal to this one must and should. LHL equal also function value. Why? Because it is continuous. Each and every one equal. Okay. Force. Sorry. A square by, what is the formula means? A square by 2 only. A square by 2. Why write the 8? I don't know. Okay. A square by 2 means 4 square by 2. A square means 16. 16 by 2 is equal to f of 0. F of 0 equal to how much? A. 16 by 2 means how much? 8. Just asking A value, asking. A value equal to 8. 100%. This one also compulsory. This value must and should also compulsory 8. Possible it is different. Possible not equal to 8 means it is not a continuous. Continuous given means 100% this value is 8 means this value is also 8, this value also 8. Already f of 0 is equal to A is given. A is equal LHL 8 means this value also 8. Okay, it is 8 or not? Now observe that this one. Limit extends to 0 plus. Now rationalize the denominator. Rationalize. What is the factor of this one? You know, rationalize the factor of this one. Root of 16 plus root x minus 4 means plus 4 by multiply divided. Okay, that is root x by root of 16 plus root x minus 4 into root of 16 plus root x plus 4 by root of 16 plus root x plus 4. Multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor. Okay. Now, what happened in this one? This is also equal to f of 0, no doubt at all. Okay. Now, limit x tends to 0 plus numerator root x into root of 16 plus root x plus 4 by a plus b into a minus b. A minus b into a plus formula a square minus b square. A square, square root cancel, 16 plus root x minus b square means 16 plus root x minus root x get cancelled. Say yes or no, my dear students. Okay, this root x must be cancelled. Now, limit x tends to 0 plus root over 16 plus root x plus 4. Now, x value is equal to 0, substitute, this is 0. X value 0 means 0. Root over 16 means 4 plus remaining is 4. 4 plus 4 how much? 8. That is nothing but the RHL is nothing but the f of 0. F of 0 means A. Therefore, LHL is 8, RHL is 8, therefore function value equal to A. Therefore, A value must be equal to how much? A value must be equal to 8. Okay. Now, from this one and this one, from that is equal, A value is equal to 8. Simple, my dear students. Okay. Now, we will go to the next problem. I think each and everyone will complete the exercise very easily. Okay. It's a very easy problems. If you have any doubt, you can see thoroughly the video and develop the concept first. Okay. Thoroughly follow the video 1 or 2 times. Easily you will understand. Next, we will go to the next problem. Okay. Next problem means what is the meaning of the next problem means we will go to the next properties. But suppose f of x already some properties of the continuous function. What is the meaning of the continuous function? Continuous function means if the f of x, the function is continuous in the domain. The function is continuous in the domain. Suppose f is continuous in the domain D, where D is the domain. Domain of the function, you know, sin x is domain R, cos x domain is R. F of x is equal to x. Every polynomial, the polynomial, linear or quadratic or cubic or biquadratic, any polynomial of nth degree, what is the domain? Domain is R. What is the mod x? Domain is R. Range means outcomes. What is the meaning of the range means? Whenever you put the values of x in the given function, those will get the answers, that is called range. What is the meaning of the domain means? Initially we will give you the values, those values are said to be the domain values. Whenever you substitute the value, compulsory the function will define that the domain. The function can define, that is values are said to be domain. For suppose the function is not defined, compulsory subtract that one from the domain. Okay. Now f of x is equal for suppose x plus 2, x square plus 2x plus 3. So whatever may be, linear or quadratic or cubic or biquadratic, whatever may be, 100% is continuous on the real number. For suppose f of x is there, f of x is equal to 1 by x. Already yesterday I told 1 by x. It is continuous every value of every real number? No. It is discontinuous for x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 1 by 0, infinity means the domain. What is the domain of this one? Means this one, r minus 0. Now it is the f of x is equal to 1 by x is continuous on r minus 0, means discontinuous 100% at 0. No doubt at all. Discontinuous where? At 0. First of all, f of x is equal to mod x. It is defined. It is defined. Every value of x. That's why is the domain on everywhere. What is the meaning of a continuous function everywhere? Means it is defined on real numbers. Show that the function f of x is continuous on everywhere. Everywhere. What is the meaning of everywhere? Means everywhere means the real number system, means plus infinity to minus infinity. Okay, my dear students, understood or not? Now f is a function, some properties for the continuous function. What is the meaning of the continuous function? Continuous function means the function is continuous on the domain, then the function is said to be a continuous function. The continuous function everywhere. What is the meaning of that one? The continuous function everywhere means the function is continuous on the real number system, means minus infinity to plus infinity. You know that on R, every polynomial function, constant, linear, quadratic, possibly in the examination point of view, simply asking. Therefore, one question, suppose f of x is equal to ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus d is equal to plus d is continuous on A option on R, B on 0, on C R minus 0, for suppose D none. This is the question for suppose. This is the polynomial of degree 4. Every polynomial is continuous on the real numbers only. Real numbers only. That's why what is the answer? R is the answer. Now f is continuous on D. Okay, my dear students, f is continuous on D. F is continuous on D. G is also continuous on D. F is continuous on the domain D. G is continuous on the domain D. This is the domain. D is the domain of f. G is the domain of. Okay, f is continuous on D on the domain. G is the continuous on the domain. D means domain. These two are not same domains. Suppose I will take, suppose f of x is equal to 1 by x I will take. What is the domain of this one? Domain is equal, this is the domain is r minus 0 per suppose. For suppose g of x is equal, I will take sin x. Sin x. What is the domain of this one? D is equal to r. Say yes or no? Now f plus g. F plus g must and should is continuous on D. Continuous on D plus means we will take the common part of these two. Common part of these two means what is the, this is r minus 0. What is the intersection part? 100%? R minus 0 is the common part. Say yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now f plus g is continuous on D. F minus g also continuous on D. F into g also continuous on D. F by g. Here compulsory g not equal to 0, boys. G not equal to 0 means continuous on D minus something, where this one g not equal to 0, that's well right. Understood? This type of questions. For suppose in the examination point of view, understood? Find the, show that the sine function is continuous everywhere. Continuous everywhere, sine function. Immediately one idea, what is that one? What is the domain of the sin x? What is the domain of the sin x? Real numbers. Range is -1 to +1 only. Not I am asking the range, sin x domain. What is the domain of the sin x? 100% R, real numbers. Function 100% is continuous on the domain. What the domain means? R. Okay, my dear students. Show that the function, question is, show that the sine function is continuous on everywhere. On everywhere means, what is the meaning of that one? On real numbers. Plus infinity to minus infinity convenient. Why? Because the domain of this function is R. That's why it is 100% continuous. How? What is the f of x? Sine function. Sine function means, let f of x is equal to sin x. On continuous on R. How many numbers are there on the real numbers? Means infinite numbers in the real numbers. Now we will take any one value. Check the value at a is equal to R. Just a value whatever may be, a value is real number. Means how many values you can take? A value minus 1, b 0, 1, 2, 3 whatever may be. Now continuous. How to check the continuous? You know the formula. Limit value is equal to function value. Say yes or no? Limit value is equal to. Okay, my dear students, tell me, limit value is equal to. What is the limit value? Limit x tends to a, f of x. Limit x tends to a, what is f of x? Sin x. Now what is this value? Sin a. X tends to a means we substitute instead of x we write the a. Now function value you can find. Function value is equal f of a. That equal to f of a means f of x is equal to sin x means sin a. Now limit value is equal to function value. Limit value is equal to function value. Therefore, the function sin x is continuous or on real numbers. Simple. Okay, my dear students. Very simple problems. The function is continuous on R. E power x, exponential function. Exponential functions, what is the domain of the exponential function? R. What is the domain of the exponential function means? R. A power x, e power x. Those are the exponential functions. Most of those are compulsory continuous on the real numbers. And everywhere. How to show that means in this way we will show. No doubt at all. Now cosine function, what happened? Discuss the cosine function. Cosine function is continuous on R. Okay, my dear students, continuous function that equal f of x is equal to how much? That equal to cos x. Here a belongs to R, here cos x. What happened this one? Cos a. What happened this one? This is also cos a. Now limit value equal to function value. Now f of x is 100% continuous on R. Any doubt? Simple. That's why first you remember, okay, you remember the domains of the functions. That's why you read the class 11 and class 12 first topic. Very concentration. You will read the chapters very concentrable. Otherwise you cannot do anything. You know, already I explained that one, sin inverse of x. What is the domain of the sin inverse of x? Sin inverse of x. What is the domain of the sin inverse of x means? Minus 1 to 1. In that one 100% it is continuous. That's why you keep in mind all the values and formulas. We will easily do. Otherwise we cannot do. Okay, my dear students. Now this is the. So what is the tangent function? The tangent, for suppose tangent is given. What happened? Tangent. Tangent function is continuous on r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Why? Tangent function means tan x. That is sin x by cos x. Observe that. It is defined r real values? No. Suppose degree 90 degrees you will take. Cos 90 0, something by 0. Odd multiples of 90, 270, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, cos not defined. That's why subtract that one. Discontinuity. Suppose in the examination point of tan x is given. Find the discontinuity points of the tan x. What are the discontinuity points? Means 2n plus 1 into pi. Odd multiples of pi by 2. We will write the odd multiple of pi by 2. That is the answer. Find the discontinuity points of the tan x. What are the discontinuity functions of the tan x means? Whenever it is 0 means odd multiples of pi by 2. Where x is equal to n plus 1 pi by 2. The function is not defined. This is the discontinuity points. What are the discontinuity point of the tan x means? X is equal to n plus 1 by 2. What is the continuous points means? R minus. You can subtract that one. Remaining parts it must and should continuous. What are the discontinuity points of the cot x? That equal cos x by sin x. When 0, pi, 2 pi, every multiple of integral multiple of pi, it is 0. That equal x is equal to n pi. Discontinuity points. So very important questions are this one for mains purpose or any competitive exam purpose. This concept is very important. Keep in mind. Okay, my dear students. Same on r minus means here you take the tan x, no problem at all. Now, what about this tan a? What about this tan a? Similarly, how to show that secant x, cosecant x and cot x? It depends on the domain. That's why you remember the domain of each and every function. Okay, limit value equal to function value. Okay. Now, composite function, you know very well composite functions. But suppose, don't confuse what I am telling, listen carefully. Now, for suppose in the examination point of view, show that the function is continuous on R everywhere. Okay, so in the examination point of view, f of x is equal modulus of sin x is given. Simply, modulus of sin x is given. Is continuous on R. Modulus of sin x. First, you can think. We will think. In this one, two functions are there. One is the trigonometric function sin x, and is the algebraic function is mod x. That is called mixing of the two functions is called composite function. Composite function. First, we can find the domain of the sin x. You know the domain of the sin x is R. Mod x domain is real numbers. Okay. Domain of the sin x is, domain of sin x 100% is R. Mod x domain 100% R. Sin x is continuous on R. Mod x is continuous on R. Now, the composite function. How to write the composite function? First, we can take the internal function, that is called something, already f of x is there, you can take the g of x. This is internal function. G of x is equal to sin x. After that, what is the major function here? Modulus of, that is called h of x, per suppose. H of x is equal to mod x. Now, composite function. What is the composite function means? S circle g of x, that equal h of g of x. Find out. Now, h of g of x means sin x, h of sin of x means mod sin x, h of x means mod x. Whenever f comma g, we have g comma h are the two functions continuous on D, then their composite function must and should continuous on the same domain. Understood or not? F here g of x is continuous on R, h of x is continuous on R, therefore h circle g of x is continuous on R. Okay, my dear students, I think you should understand. Okay, in this way. First, you can find the, in this one, suppose another problem we will take, f of x is equal modulus of sin x plus cos x. Is continuous or not? First, this is the g of x. G of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. 100%. It is continuous on R. It is continuous on R. Means this is totally continuous on R. Now, what is the major function? H of x. H of x is equal to 100% mod x. Is also continuous on R. Now, H circle g of x. 100% is continuous on R. Okay, my dear friends. Yes or no? Yes. For suppose in the examination point of view, f of x is equal to cos of x square is continuous. Show that the function is continuous on R. What happened? What happened? In this one, cos x, internal function x square is there. How do you take, for suppose, g of x is equal to, for suppose. Okay, you don't confuse h of x. H of x is equal to how much? That equal to x square. Now, h circle g. Okay. What happened? What happened? For suppose, you listen. H circle g of x. What happened? H of g of x. Not. Okay, that's why you will take major first internal function x square. Now, cos x. Whatever may be, but you can find h circle g of x or g circle h of x. Whatever may be, what happened? H of g of x means how much? X square. H of x square means cos of x square. Here you know it is the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial 100% is continuous function. Quadratic polynomial 100% continuous on the real numbers. It is cos function is continuous function on R. Okay, my dear students. Okay, understood? That's why it is compulsory composite function is continuous on R. Very easy problems. Okay, we will do in this way. These are called the properties of the continuous functions. F is continuous on domain, G is continuous on domain, F plus G is continuous on domain. Everywhere continuous on everywhere means it is the continuous on the real number system. Okay, my dear students. Okay, please complete the topic. Please complete the topic. Like exercise, only one exercise you have in the textbook. Okay, please complete that one. Okay, tomorrow we will start the another topic is differentiation. It's very important topic. Okay, thank you one and all. Wow.